So on 13th May, Pune, Mawad and Shirur, these parliamentary constituencies are going for voting, and Pune district administration is completely geared up to conduct these elections in a very free and fair manner. We have 5,866 polling stations on which this voting will happen, and we have ensured assured minimum facilities on each of these polling stations. So we have ensured there is drinking water facility, there are washrooms available. For example, there are waiting rooms because of the high temperature. We have also provided shades, drinking water facilities. We have provided separate queues for women and men. We have made special arrangements for people having 80 plus age with handicapped voters. We have kept wheelchairs. We have also made arrangements where there is a request from any senior citizen, 85 plus citizen, where he needs some transport facility. We are also providing such transport facilities. And all this is made to basically facilitate voters to come and vote. Apart from this, Pune has been traditionally a low voting turnout district. So we have been working very hard in the last couple of years to increase this voting share. So through sweep activities from last 1.5 years, we have approached youth. We have conducted special camps for women, industrial workers, 80 plus voters, women, transgenders. So these camps, camps for registration, camp for basically promoting youngsters to come and register themselves and vote. These campaigns have been happening since last couple of years. For last 15 days, we have concentrated on increasing the voter percentage by undertaking few initiatives. Voter information slip is one thing which we have actually distributed. More than 68 lakh voter information slip have been distributed, and we expect now people to come out of their houses and vote. We have also carried out a campaign in most of the cooperative housing societies with the help of cooperative department, with the help of chairman of those societies and secretaries, whereby we are asking them to help us in distribution of voter information slip, informing voters about their polling stations. If there are deletions, then we are telling them to fill up form number 6 so that in the next elections they could become voters, registered voters, and they will vote. So by and large, these are the efforts which we are undertaking, and we hope that Pune will come up in large numbers. The voters will definitely come up in large numbers and vote on 13th of May.